Alright, this is the Unit 12 post-test. Please make sure that you put your name. Number 1. A word that means massive is, weird, these are out of order. C, little, A, substantial, D, intense, or B, adequate. Number 2. A word that means essential is A, acceptable, B, particular, C, required, or D, unimportant. An obstacle, for number 3, is an A, barrier, B, regulation, C, advantage, or D, privilege. Number 4. Or D, privilege. Number 4, another word for aid is A, detain, B, facilitate, C, terminate, or D, initiate. Number 5, another word for initiate is A, delay, B, conserve, C, conclude, or D, launch. A word that means efficient is A, vital, B, productive, C, wasteful, or D, questionable. Number 7, another word for utilize is A, save, B, help, C, assist, or D, employ. Number 8, a word that means adequate is A, inferior, B, complex, C, satisfactory, or D, useless. Number 9, a restriction is A, freedom, B, tragedy, C, limitation, or D, phenomena. Number 10, another word for inhibit is A, allow, B, begin, C, apply, or D, obstruct. Number 11, another word for incident is A, disaster, B, condition, C, exercise, or D, miracle. Number 12, a word that means definite is A, efficient, B, precise, C, uncertain, or D, practical.